Hey guys, in this tutorial I will show you what to do if your laptop keyboard is not working all of a sudden. So the first thing you need to do, use an external mouse if your laptop touchpad not working. Now go to Start menu and right-click on your mouse. From the list of options, click on Device Manager. In the Device Manager window, locate Keyboards, and double-click on it. Here you will see a list of devices. Just find your keyboard. It will be usually standard PS2 keyboard, but it could be something else. Once you have found it, right-click on your mouse, and select Uninstall Device. Now go ahead, and select Uninstall, again to confirm. After that, simply go ahead and restart your device. After following the step, check problem solve or not. If this does not work, your next option is to open the settings. Now go to the Windows Update tab, and check for any pending updates. If there are any updates available, go make sure you install them. If nothing works and you still experience problems, your last option is to shut down your device. Now go ahead and unplug everything, that includes the charger and any other accessories. Once you have done, press and hold the power button for at least 30 seconds. After that, simply turn on your device, and your keyboard should start working. Guys, if you think this video is helpful for you, please like that video and hit the subscribe button to get more update video.